Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for a position on the Glassdoor application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should go to your home page and select an open position that you would like to apply for. Use the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the name of the position that you are interested in. Then click on the apply now button down below on the right side of the screen. Then click on the button continue, and then you will be directed to indeed.com and to the website where you can apply for the position. Tap on the search button in the middle of the screen. Here you can find the positions of the position that you have clicked on. Tap on this blue button and then you will be directed to the website where you can fill out this form, and after that upload your CV, and then you can finalize the process of applying. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.